What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price, guys. What is going on? It's going down, it's going up. You're like, what the pants is it? What are we gonna do? All right, guys, calm down, take it easy. Remember what you got into Bitcoin for, or if you guys are in some poopy altcoins, we should have been, or you should be careful with something like that. But remember one of those things. Yes, it is speculating on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency right now, but remember one thing. Why did you get into it in the first place? Price is just another number, in my opinion. But anyways, guys, we'll go ahead and explain my thoughts in this video. This will be a quick wrap-up video. A lot of people are going nuts in the market right now. But hey, don't look at the chart. Go play around. Go do something. Go throw a ball. I don't know, guys. Bitcoin and Ethereum are one of those investments that are like for the long haul, guys. And that's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. So if you guys are new to the channel, three things: like, subscribe, bell button. Leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And also, guys, we have that Ethereum giveaway going on as well. The address is in the description below if you guys want to participate in that. All you got to do is have your wallet interact with the main wallet on there, and you'll be randomly selected. Well, let's go ahead and talk about the price. So we got a lot of FUD going on. What is going on? First off is China. All right, so China is literally just crashing on them and saying, all right, we're getting rid of all the miners, all kinds of garbage. In my opinion, this is actually good news. That was one of the things that I didn't like about Bitcoin, was it's so centralized, and it was not centralized, but the mining was centralized. So I was like, well, I kind of got to get out of China. China is like sketch, bro. So it's like one of those things, like, this is actually something good, but people took it as bad. Then again, you have to think about it. Well, we do have market makers, and what they do is when it goes up, they make money. When it goes down, they make money by shorting and going long. I made another video explaining how that works, but basically what you want to know is the price fluctuations are the different market makers moving into it. Like I said, guys, this is really just white noise. So next, of course, is the Bitcoin death cross. So if China wasn't enough, now you got all these traders like, oh, what the snap? It's the death cross. It's over. The death cross just happened. So now everyone's like anticipating that, oh, yep, we're in for a crash. It's over. This is what we're going to do. I'm not saying it's going to go up. I'm not saying it's going to go down. What I'm trying to explain to you is like, look, there's a lot of news out there. There's a lot of bad news out there. And the news moves the markets, guys. This is really just noise. I'm just reiterating it. If you guys are a trader, this is something important to you. If you guys are someone who's just like buying it, sit it, forget it, then this is really just white noise. You probably shouldn't even be watching this video. You probably shouldn't be Googling what's going on with Bitcoin. Is it crashing? Is it over? I mean, it's like one of those things like, well, sometimes you get what you Google. And of course, another piece of news: Bitcoin sinks to 2-week low as China intensifies crypto mining crackdown. So a lot of people are fudding on the mining. Even Jim Cramer, if you play this little video, it talks about Jim Cramer even selling a portion of his Bitcoin. But anyways, guys, this is just a quick video on Bitcoin, telling you guys about the markets, what's going on to it. Hey guys, remember, cryptocurrency is not the only thing. If you threw all your money in there, well, you should probably hedge your bets against that. You should never throw all your money into one asset. This is one of those things you have to remember, that anything you invest, you have to consider it lost. And if it's lost, is that going to be something you have to use to buy your ramen noodles the next day, or to buy a bottle of water? No, you don't want to do that. This is just the money you want to set aside or use. That's something you don't really need. So keep that in mind when you guys are looking at purchasing things. And always, guys, it's always good to learn lessons too. In my opinion, guys, this is just white noise. I do think there is a potential for going lower. I made a full video on it as well. I think we need to retest the 25 or 24K before going up. I made a video back in May when we started rocketing up after we bounced off 30. I was like, something doesn't seem right. And the video was actually, the thumbnail said, something's not right. Alright guys, I hope that video helped clear up a couple things. Me and Puffy the Mic will keep them coming. But anyways, guys, remember two things. Are you a trader or are you an investor? If you're a trader, well, you probably want to start trading the markets and figuring out what you need to do, when you need to buy, when you need to sell. However, if you're in it for the long haul, this is really just white noise. I want to reiterate that, guys. If you're bullish on the asset, then it is white noise to you, because you shouldn't really even be looking at the price. The price is just what someone says on a given day. Yes, there are going to be fluctuations, and that's typical market fluctuations, guys. And until a asset like this is a very volatile asset, until it figures out its price floor or what it's really worth, there's going to be tons of volatility in the meantime. So guys, again, I'm going to reiterate, why did you originally buy the asset? Were you speculating on it? Were you just like, yeah, I just want to make a couple bucks? Well, you're probably looking at Bitcoin in the wrong way. If you're here because you like the decentralization, you're here for the technology, you're here for the ideas, well, that's good. 3, if you're just here to trade it, well, this isn't the channel for you. I don't go over trading. I like to show the technology of Bitcoin and the technology of crypto assets and what they bring. I'm very bullish on DeFi. I'm very bullish on NFTs. I'm very bullish on smart contracts. Anything that has anything to do with decentralization. The reason why is because I've seen the corrupt nature of centralization, and I'll just give a couple of things on it. So if you want to build your own company, just imagine this. Just stop. I know this is a bit of a serious video, but just imagine this. You try to start a company. What do you have to do? You have to get your own social media company. You have to get your own telephone company. You have to get your own internet company. You have to get your own utility company. You have to get your own cell phone provider. You have to get your own web hosting service. You have to get your own banking services. You have to get your own payment processor. You have to get your own credit card. Guys, the list goes on. I mean, I don't even have to just, like, it just goes on and on and on and on. It's crazy, guys. So it's almost like if you want to start your own company, it's not like it used to be. Like back then when PayPal, Stripe, Square, when they were ripping and rolling and getting it done, guys, they were getting it done early when there was no other competition. Like before Facebook and before like Zillow, for real estate, you can market anywhere. Now, if you aren't on Zillow, you're nowhere. That's it. That's the concept. We have major monopolies now. Anyways, guys, I hope that clears up a couple things. But if you guys are bullish on Bitcoin, bullish on Ethereum, and you aren't getting any yields on it, and you're just sitting on them, well, there's a couple of options. You can use DeFi like we've been doing on these videos, or you can use Celsius or BlockFi if you like the centralized solution. There's links in the description below. You'll get some extra BTC. If you use Celsius, make sure you type in HODL50, and that'll get you an additional $50 in BTC. So basically almost $100 in free BTC for doing nothing. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, 3 things. Like, subscribe, bell button. Leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribed. Automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, as always, we'll leave you with a wisdom one-liner. And yes, we will have some more DeFi videos coming up, guys, because I love DeFi and I'm going into it. And what are my thoughts on DeFi right now? Guys, stay away from the speculative farms like a lot of people. Krill or Polywhale, they did just pull a soft rug. So guys, there are a lot of people rugging right now. So be careful with where you're going into. A lot of these protocols are farms. They are not in it for the long haul. So if you're putting your money with them, you got to be careful. You want to look for the protocols that are in the long haul. So stay with your safer ones. Even then, they are risky. If you don't know what to choose, like if you aren't sure like which ones are safest, they have the centralized solutions like BlockFi and Celsius. BlockFi is starting to become a public company, but all in all, if you're scared of all solutions, you can hold it in your wallet and wait till the next, or you can cash it into dollars. It's up to you, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You just need to do the thing that allows you to sleep at night. That's all. Your health is more important than your wealth. Proverbs chapter 23, verses 17. Do not let your heart envy sinners, but always be zealous for the fear of the Lord. There is surely a future hope for you, and your hope will not be cut off. And of course, guys, gotta say thanks to the patrons: Scott Bott, Dalman, Tariq Lou, TL King, and JP, PJ. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is, scan it, check it out, bam bam. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.